Where's your binky?
Yeah.
Oh, not on Grandma's table. No. Where's your night-night? Let's go night-night. You want to rock?
No.
What?
No.
Well, go get your binky and we'll rock.
I love you.
What?
I love you. I love you.
Aren't you ready?
I love you.
Ready to go night-night?
No, I love you.
We'll rock with your night-night. Where is it? What's the lion say? What's the monkey say? What's the cow say? What's the kitty say? What's the kitty say?
What's this? Is that for your glass?
Where's Zoe? Where's Lucky? Where's Jessie? Did you say Jessie? Where's Kevin? Where's Mommy?
Mommy.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Where's Grandpa?
Baba.
Where's Grandma? Where's Jessie? Where's Jessie?
Daddy.
Where's Bo?
Daddy.
Where's Bo?
Daddy.
Where's your doggy?
Daddy.
Where's Zoe?
Zoe.
What about Lulu?
Lucy.
Lulu. Lucky. Max. Where's Max? What's the lion say? Where are we going? What? There's your shoes. Can you get your shoes? You're crazy. Where are we going? Are we going night-night? Well, go get Grandpa to take you downstairs. Say please. Where's your bike? Where's your bike? No bikes? Where's your wagon? Where's your wagon? Is it home? Where's your milk? You going downstairs? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell me bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, wave to me.
You have to hold your hands. Bend your knee. Bend your knee. Right there. Bend your knee. Come on.
Hold on.
Peg leg. Bend your knee. Yeah. Come on.
Wow.
Come on. Peg leg.
See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have fun. Okay? Have fun. Later, alligator.
Come on.